To use photo from gallery as wake up alarm background in sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Scroll down the screen. Tap alarm background thumbnail. Tap background. Under gallery section, select the desired photo you like to use. Tap done button. Tap save button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, when the wake up alarm in the sleep mode rings, your phone will use the selected photo as the background of the wake up alarm. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help like and subscribe. Have a nice day.